So how it works is all of the .zim files, which are the database files that have like all of Wikipedia or all of TED Talk or whatever, are stored in here. The Raspberry Pi is the interface that's getting all the data from there because it's over 200 gigs, which would be pretty difficult to put onto an SD card locally. Plus, having it this way means that if someone else has one of these, you could run it. Okay, so this is connected to a modem that is inside of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my Wi-Fi off, and there's no Bluetooth connection. All that's doing is, if I open it up, you can just see that that has the keyboard hooked up to it, and that's it. So I've already run my library to the servers. So what I've done is I've taken all of these files. So like, as an example, here's the sustainment file. These are all the independent .zim files. I've compiled them into this XML library. And instead of running one at a time, I just run this .xml library. You can see there's 256 kilobytes in it, you know, the size on the disk. Anyway, 150 gigs of data. So what I do is I come over here and I run that library, cubic serve library, and then enter that in. It loads all the files, and then it says that my server is running can be accessed at this local network. So copy that URL. Come up here, Wi-Fi's off. Right now I'm directly connected through a LAN connection from the Raspberry Pi. And if I hit this, then everything pops up. So this connection, as you can see, I don't have you know, anything plugged in, but in the back of the Pi, the LAN is plugged into the modem. So that's sending a signal that other people could jump on that Wi-Fi if they wanted to, because it is putting out a Wi-Fi signal. So someone could jump onto this address from their phone and they could have access to any of these. So I'll just pull up in Wikipedia as an example. Give it a minute. So here is the full Wikipedia. So let's say I wanted to know what how diesel engines work. So I can use the index for anything containing diesel engines. Here we go. So here's all of the diesel engine articles on the whole of Wikipedia. So we'll just click this one. And here we go. This is everything about diesel engines. Also, these hyperlinks work too. So I can scan through just like, you know, I regularly could on Wikipedia as if I was connected to the internet. So if I want an article about nitrogen, here's everything I need to know about nitrogen. That's pretty much it, you know, and there's in all of these. So there's one about music theory, there's one about Linux, there's one about art, military medicine. It's an interesting one. So that zim file is down. Some of these are active and some of them are not. Let's see. Water treatment library. Let's see about this one. So this is how to purify water. How to treat water, rather. Let me try another one here. So this is Wiki Medical Encyclopedia. Here we go. Try this one. Emergency war surgery. See, that might come in handy. So there you go. There's the Army publication for emergency war surgery. You know, another, perhaps the most interesting to me is all of the TED Talks that are on here. Just because I find it very interesting that the video and the audio and everything loads so well. And the subtitles. So here we go. So Deborah Jarvis surviving cancer. Now, I don't have an audio source hooked up to this right now, but if I did, we would have audio. There we go. Let's turn the closed captions on. English. No buffering because it's all locally hosted, so. So there you go. That's what it is.